Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick project share video. I just made this box yesterday, and this is a tutorial from Tmikas. She scrapped the world here on YouTube and on Instagram. And it's an embellishment box, and I thought it came out so cute. So I use the Prima Cherry Blossom paper pad, and then this trim here is from Hobby Lobby. I use the My Creative My Creative Time bow, and I layered all three, and then I did the little tails. I think it came out so cute. I added that little pearl in the middle. Then when you open it, that's what it looks like. So there's a little embellishment book inside. So when I take it out, it's a nice size. So that's my box. And then this is the little embellishment book. So I did a little paper handle with two little beads on the side. Really cute. So then when you open it, you put your embellishments inside. I added two more bows. I added some these are paper flowers, this one are foam flowers, and then I made this tassel, and I figured I wanted to put something in the middle, so it's the perfect size to put a tassel. And I think it came out so cute. And look, like, even if you wanted to put something bulkier, you could. It's the perfect size for embellishments, and I think it came out so cute. I love it. So definitely pass by Tmikas' channel if you want to make one yourself. It was super easy. And then open your box, put your little book inside. You could even fit a little card if you wanted to, and boom. So cute. All right, guys, talk to you guys later. Bye.